Hello parents and kids! Today we'll explore 5 essential steps to help children stay safe on social media. Let's get started. The first step is to establish rules for using social media. For example, do not share personal information such as addresses, phone numbers, or school details. Teach kids to recognize warning signs such as messages from strangers or suspicious friend requests. Show your child how to set privacy settings to protect personal information. Make sure only real friends can view their content. Set time limits for social media use to prevent excessive screen time. This helps maintain a balance between learning and entertainment. Most importantly, create an open environment where kids feel comfortable sharing their online experiences. This helps parents detect issues early and provide timely advice. We hope these steps help parents and kids feel safer on social media. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.